If your Google TV keeps showing a screensaver when you don't want it, this video is for you. I'll show you how to disable the screensaver completely, step by step. So let's get started. Go to System Settings on your Google TV. Scroll down and go to Apps. Click on See All Apps. Scroll down and click Show System Apps. Find Ambient Mode app. Click Disable and press OK. If you need a screensaver, you need to enable these apps. And you're done. The screensaver is disabled and your Google TV stays on the home screen. If you found this useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.